What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you like, subscribe, and comment your favorite video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for giving us over 60 views on the first ever video we posted. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope you and your best friend or families will enjoy this video. So right now I'm gonna be cleaning this house again, but not cleaning like picking all the dirt away. I'm gonna be mopping and arranging stuff. So I hope you guys are ready for this video. And by the way, we got a new phone today. It's from the supermarket, and it's called the butterfly phone. And if you guys go to the supermarket and find this phone, it's gonna be fun because it's filled with different games. And I hope you'll enjoy it. Okay, take it back, Eric. Alright, now let's go for the mop real quick. This room is so dirty. Okay, I have the mop. Oh my gosh, who left the shower running? Look at the floor condition. Oh my gosh, someone left this open. And now the floor is wet. But I'll clean that later. Right now, let's go clean the kitchen. So I'm gonna also clean the entire drawer. So first, let me put the mop aside, and now I'm gonna open every fridge. My gosh, the fridge is so stacked with food. I'm gonna put every food right here. All right. My gosh, this drawer has. Alright now, guys, now the fridge is empty. Now let me wipe it. Okay, now the fridge is super nice. Finally, now let's arrange the food. Let's put the meat, the chicken, the steak, another steak. Oh my gosh, let's just put them up there. Then I'm gonna put this leg. I don't know what that is. And then we're gonna put the milk at the bottom because it's so big. Right now, let's put this drink here. Now let's put broccoli, another broccoli, a strawberry, an apple, a pepper, carrot. Oh, not that. That one is already expired. Soda, carrot, orange, carrot, strawberry. Wait, by the way, this milk is expired. I'm throwing this in the trash right now, but not later. Let me just put the rest of the food. Right now, let's wipe the outside of the fridge, and we're done with the fridge. Now let's put every utensils on the sink so we can clean them. So, wash the pot, hang it. Wash the knife, hang it. Wash the whatever this is, hang it. Wash the pan, hang it. Wash this, the spatula, hang it. Do you have any other utensils inside? Nope. Okay. Now let's wipe the oven. Let's open it. Wipe it inside. Close. Wipe it outside. And also wipe it on top because it's not old. And then put the stuff away. Alright, now I put soap on the table, the counter, then I wipe. Right, the drawer is okay. Okay, now let's clean this drawer up right now. Put the things away right now. Oh, there's an apple. There's an apple snack. Okay, now let me wipe it. Now we're gonna put spaghetti here because it's gonna be really cool, and I hope that we all enjoy the spaghetti. Alright, this drink is expired, so I'm gonna take out expired stuff. Now, let me put away this stuff. Okay, now wipe it with a new bag of tissue. Okay, now put the oil, put the honey, and put the cereal up there. Now we're done. Now let's pick up this other utensils and we'll wash them. Right. Now let's put the stuff away, wipe it clean, and then put the things back up there. I hope this will be clean. Now let me wash this and then hang it. Alright, now let's... Wait, I have extra honey? This one is expired. It was like in 2016. And this bread too. It has a mold on it. Alright, now let's take the salt and pepper out. Wipe it. Salt. Pepper. I think I should also put ketchup here. Because you know, these are the items that we used to cook to make the food taste well. And now let's put all the plates here and the cups. Now let's wipe it. Okay, now let's wash all the plates. Hang it up there. Oh no. Oh no, I'm burning the plates. Oh no, I'm burning them. Oh no, I think I burned them. Let me just put them right here. Alright. No! It's burning! It's burnt. Ow! Oh no, I broke plates. Oh no. Oh no, I'm cooked. I broke the plates. Oh no, I broke the plates. Just don't worry, I'll put them right here. Oh my gosh, I'll put them in water so they can cool down. Let me put now what? Bro, I broke more plates. Ugh. I think I need some extra. I need to be extra careful. I think I should pull. No! No! It keeps burning. Ow! I broke this plate. Oh my gosh. These plates are so messed up. Why are they falling? Ugh. You know what? I'm gonna put them right over here. Because you know they're falling too much. So I don't really want them over there anymore. Oh no, again! It's on fire! You know what? I'll actually leave that place and put this random drink. And this apple that's not even expired yet. And this expired drink, I'm putting it away. My gosh, let me put this plate in the dustbin. I think I kind of broke it. I think I should also put in the garbage bin. Because I broke these plates. Alright, okay, these are the broken plates. Right, let me put that broken. Let me put that plate over there. Now, let me go throw it in the trash bin. Okay. So I'm gonna put here in the garbage real quick. Alright, now there's clean. Now I'll put them away. So now, let me mop the floor. Okay, mop the floor, mop the floor, mop the floor. Even outside. And now, let me put these things in the dustbin. Alright, let me put it in the dustbin. Okay, this is expired. I'm gonna put this soap. This honey's expired. This bread has mold. This also bread has mold. The milk is expired. The banana snack is expired. Alright, this food over here is still expired. Alright, now I'll just wash that plate. So now let me put that wiping thing, the wiper, and also the plate so I can wash it. Right. Well, that plate's okay. I hope I at least it didn't break, because you know that was a plate from my grandmother, so I hope it doesn't break. Oh my gosh, now the candle will be here in the middle. Alright, now let me do some work with the worker. So let me do a Google Meet right now. Oh my gosh, let me close this. Alright, I've closed it. Now I hope the house is okay. Now I hope it won't fall. Alright, now I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you give it a like and I hope you enjoyed it. So today I say goodbye to all my viewers and friends. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!